सियाचिन ग्लेशियर, जहां खूबसूरती भी है और खतरा भी। 18,500 फीट के ऑल्टीट्यूड पर कदम थम से जाते हैं। सब जीरो टेम्परेचर्स में खून जम सा जाता है। यहाँ 35 फीट ऊंची बर्फीली चट्टानें भी हैं और हर एक सांस लेने में तकलीफ भी। ये ग्लेशियर इस देश की शान भी है और इंडियन आर्मी की आन भी। पहली बार एक सिविलियन एक्सपीडिशन निकल पड़ा है देने इन फौजी जाबाजों को एक स्पेशल सलाम। अर्जुन रामपाल, युवराज वाल्मीकि, आरपी सिंह, सोनाली सहगल, अरुणोदय सिंह, नम्रता गुजारन, हसन सैदी, श्लोक शर्मा, रणविजय सिंघा। चुनौतियों से भरा यह सफर शुरू हो चुका है और इनका मकसद एक, मोटो एक, मिशन एक, सियाचिन ग्लेशियर पर तिरंगे की शान।
ये जो है ना, ये अलग जगह है और इसमें हम सबको साथ रहना है, साथ में करना है। कर जरूर लेंगे लेकिन हलवा नहीं है।
मुश्किलें, मुसीबतें, तकलीफ, परेशानी, इन सभी से इस टीम की होगी बार बार मुलाकात। पर जब जज्बा हो सच्चा और इरादा हो मजबूत, तो जीत की मंजिल तक पहुंचना पक्का है।
A lot of us take the army for granted कि हाँ, they're posted, yeah, we respect them. But to actually be able to go visit them in the toughest battlefield in the whole world and pay your respect, I thought it was a huge deal.
एयरपोर्ट पे ही आप जैसे लैंड करते हो तो वहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है कि आप इतना आपको 2 दिन लगेंगे एक्लेमेटाइज होने और आप इतना पानी पियो, ज़्यादा इंटेक होना चाहिए लिक्विड का। तो कहीं ना कहीं वो जब हम कार से आ रहे थे तो फील हो रहा था कि यार थोड़ा ब्रीदिंग प्रॉब्लम हो रही है।
एक कठिन अच्छी चीज के लिए जो शुरुआत जो चाहिए थी, नाइस एंड पीसफुल एंड पॉजिटिव, वो हमें मिली।
कहते हैं शुरुआत सही तो सब सही। मॉनेस्ट्रीज की शांति में मानो इन सब की खुद से मुलाकात हो गई। A small little prayer for the big journey ahead.
See this unbelievable splendor, and if I'm not mistaken, Stoke village is over there at the foothills. We're going to be walking up tomorrow and day after and the day after that, and hopefully feeling back.
यहाँ कोई इस नए क्लाइमेट की आदत डाल रहा था तो कोई इस खूबसूरती को कैमरे में कैद कर रहा था।
We went walking up to like a big Buddha temple, which was again on a higher altitude, and there one started to breathe well, started meeting all the team members, all the different participants who were coming together for this trek, and that's where the bonding started.
मॉनेस्ट्रीज के मोमेंट्स को पीछे छोड़ टीम निकल पड़ी है ट्रैक लीडर दिलशाद से मिलने, जिनका सख्त मिजाज शायद किसी को पसंद आए, शायद किसी को नहीं।
So Dilshad is like crazy. I mean, she's very strict. She is got tremendous amount of experience behind her.
She's not just a leader, She's also a very nice person. She's been through so much herself. She's accomplished so much, and she's a fighter.
When you're in the military, if you're on time, you're late. So please, learn that as a lesson. 6 o'clock means 6 o'clock. It does not mean 6:10, 6:12, 6:15. No ambling. 6 means 6.
जैसे ही उन्होंने क्लास ली है तो माँ से लेके हेडमास्टर से लेके प्रिंसिपल का जो एक जोड़ आता है, या जिनकी शादी हो चुकी है उसमें बीवी भी डाल दो, तो वो आपको एकदम से दिख गई उस औरत में।
In the mountains you cannot be late. 5 minutes is life and death. In 5 minutes the weather can turn.
Strict expedition leader I prefer. मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा कि कोई काबिल है साथ में जो सब चीज जानता है, डांट भी सकता है सबको और बता सकता है कि अच्छा तरीका, सही तरीका ये करने का क्या है।
I want to introduce you to my team first. This is Tashi. Tashi has been trekking for several years. He's going to be leading the trek for us from till the Stoke Kangri part till the Stoke Kangri base camp. Meet Mahinder. Mahinder has trekked with us several times. That's Biru. Biru is the man who will be waking you up at 6 o'clock every morning. If you don't get up when Biru wakes you up, you're going to have Sula in your tent. So take your pick. This is a very strange kind of trek. And it's strange because the first part, we don't normally do treks where we have two parts. But in this one we do. One part is the acclimatization part, where you're basically following the very simple principle of walk high, sleep low. So you are going to be going from 11,500 feet in Leh to Chiang Mai, which is at about 4,000 meters. That's 13,200 feet, if I'm right. And you're going to keep climbing higher. Then you're going to go to Mankodma, which is about 4,700 meters. So in one day, you're going to be gaining 700 meters, which is quite a gain.
The reason that we've come here for is a very noble reason. It's a very nice reason. We know why we're doing this, but कि ये हो पाएगा कि नहीं, इतना हम डर गए थे.
We don't know what to expect after Siachen base camp because weather patterns, the glacier, everything changes every year. We have no idea what we're expecting. Unlike normal treks where everybody catches their own speeds of trekking, this is not a trek that that 3 people can just carry on and another 3 will follow and then another 3 will follow at the back and then there's a swift. It doesn't work that way. There are crevasses in the middle which will demand that you get roped up with harnesses. So you have to walk as a team.
She's such a strong woman. And her knowledge of everything and her strength, and the best thing was she was very encouraging.
The easiest thing to do for us when you're not feeling up to it at that altitude is to bring you down. That is the first solution. The chopper will come only if the army doctor decides that you're dying. I would not recommend short sleeve t-shirts starting from tomorrow or shorts. In our lingo, we call them tandoori legs.
I am not wearing them on the trek. I've grown up in Calcutta और Bombay में रह के हमें आदत है loose shorts और वो सब पहनने की, and I like wearing shorts.
She was not in Goa. For her, शायद उसको ठंड नहीं लग रही थी. But दूसरे बंदे को लगता है कि अरे यार, I am more prepared than her. At least मैंने पूरा पैंट तो पहना है. 5 points out of 10, Sonali.
This is what you're going to pack your stuff in. These are our duffel bags. Each one of you will pack your bags in this, so I know that you will never be able to put in more than 15 kilos in this. You are only trekking for 3 days. So you've got 3 days, so if anyone's asking me, I'm saying 2 t-shirts, 1 pair of trekking pants, undies, and all the warm clothes you have, because we don't know how cold it can get in the night. That's it.
Because we can't carry too much of equipment on this, so what we've gone and done is that we've got this is in your hands, record your own journey.
जो उनका सपोर्ट था STC का बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट था हमारे लिए. मैं तो थैंक्स बोलना चाहूँगा उस कंपनी को, STC को.
दिलों में एक्साइटमेंट है, हल्की सी नर्वसनेस भी। इस लाइफ चेंजिंग जर्नी की शुरुआत बस होने को है।
हमारी पहली ट्रैक का दिन हो गया था ना, सब एक दूसरे को बेस्ट ऑफ लक बोल रहे हैं ना। उसी के दौरान अर्जुन सर ने अपने मॉम के बारे में बताया हमें और हम सबको एक बैंड दिया।
It's a great group of all of us we've gotten together, but I think we're all climbing for our own reasons also, besides going all the way up to Siachen. And one of the reasons is my mother was diagnosed with breast cancer, and there's this cancer foundation which I'm starting in her name, okay, and she's fighting it things. So I would really appreciate if everybody just wore these bands on them if while we start trekking. It was something I wanted to do for her. And since her father had gone up to Siachen, and when I told her about this story, that, you know, we are going to be, I might climb the Siachen thing, she told me, you know, your Nanaji went there, my dad had gone there and he'd taken the first gun there and everything. It was kind of a full circle that was happening, and I said, if I'm doing this climb, I want to do it and dedicate it to my mom.
कि भाई मेरी माँ तो इस चीज़ से लड़ी रही है, मैं चाहता हूँ कि हम सब साथ आके, पूरी दुनिया साथ आके इस चीज़ से लड़े.
It's just been about half a minute since we started walking, and it's sort of panting already.
We started a trek from Stoke Village. It's really beautiful, very pretty. It's a gradual climb, not too much. And it's pretty nice, man. You can check it out.
First time, लेकिन worth it.
This wind is going into my ears and it's raining. And I didn't carry cotton or anything to stop them. Lesson 1. I shall keep this in mind for my next drive.
पहला ट्रैक जो था आसान नहीं था, बिकॉज किसी को भी आदत नहीं थी. 2 दिन के आराम के बाद सडनली 7 किलोमीटर चलना, धूप में, कभी पसीना, कभी ठंड, कभी चढ़ाई. बीच में एक चढ़ाई थी जहाँ पर सबकी बुरी हालत हो गई थी.
As we started climbing from Stoke village and we started climbing up, the climb got steeper. I could feel my breath changing. You know, I could feel me gasping rather than breathing. Like you gasp for air. We were moving fast because we had to reach our camp by a particular time before sunset. And so for that, it was not an easy trek at all. In fact, the first day of the trek for me was the toughest day of the trek.
I'm at the top, waiting for everybody else. But look at the view. So Abhi, how are you feeling, bro?
Really tired.
Really?
Yeah. Breath is catching up.
Very important to hydrate yourself.
To take a break. My first break since we started out on this trek.
तो कहाँ है वो? तो कौन उठा के ला रहा है?
बैग सामान सब ताशी जो बस आती है.
ताशी.
We're waiting for Namrata because she was the last one. And we see she walking really slowly, and someone was carrying her bags, and वो धीरे धीरे आ रही है. We were like, at least she's made it. And very slowly she came and she just fell. वो मतलब गिर गई वहाँ पे.
बजे मेरे को किसी ने उठाया. Namrata is vomiting.
We were all with our headlamps out. Some of us also didn't think that Namrata would be able to make it, and we might have to send her back down.
On that day, my knee gave up.